I'm Kyle Penguin 101, and this is my idea on an experience counter. So the very first thing is the script is going to need to have this counter up like that. And let's go ahead and select that and start it up. So what this looks like is this. If I am to attack something, we are going to read whatever is placed right up here. So right now it says 3 experience. Now the problem is this thing is a little bit buggy, and I will explain a little bit more of that. Oh gosh, and it bothers me that my computer is just horribly lagging when it comes to recording. So it reads whatever is up here and then takes that and keeps adding it to a total counter, which is quite nice. So right now my counter is off though, because the way that I'm getting this information is I will search for either the orange plus or the orange XP thing that flies up here. So see that says plus 17 XP, plus 3 XP. We're just searching for the plus and that XP thing. Once it sees that, then it goes ahead and reads what's here, and then once it knows what's here, then it adds it to the count. So this is good for like things like killing a mob, where you'll get random XP based on what you hit. And I guess my thing crashed, I don't know why. But the problem is it's not very accurate, where my thing stopped at 44 XP and this is at 148. The source to this looks like this, and we have a rectangle, which is where we're looking at. So this rectangle is actually from here to about here, and it just waits and looks for that orange plus and XP thing. This rectangle here is the XP counter, which is right up here. And then the string here is whatever is red right here. Oop. So once we have that, here's our integer for amount of XP, and then this one is our total XP. The next thing is the image. So this is the plus image, and then this is the orange XP image. And then we just have a boolean that says if it finds either the orange plus or the orange XP, return true. And then here is where the magic happens, and it says if this is true, then we are going to read what's in that rectangle up at the top. Then we're going to delete everything that's past XP, so it'll just leave that number. So once we have that number, we'll send it there. Then we're going to change it into an integer. Once we have, it's just a number, so it changes to an integer. Once it's an integer, now we can go ahead and count it all up. I'm fairly new to Java, or in programming in general, but I grasped concepts pretty quickly. But I would love to see what you guys might think about this, and maybe improve upon this, and maybe figure out a better way of catching this experience, or figure out how this, maybe there could be an update thing, maybe right here. I don't know. Maybe we could do that. These are just things that are coming to my mind as ideas flow. But this is currently my idea on this experience counter. Since we're not a reflection or injection bot, we actually have to figure out different ways to actually count this. Whereas, like, for example, the T-stall thing, my experience is a solid thing. It's always going to be like 16, I think. So that counting the experience in the paint is very easy, where this is quite tricky, because each seagull, it has a very random thing. I've reset the counter so many times, killed each one, and every time I killed the seagull, I would have a different amount of XP that was totaled up there. So I wasn't sure what to do there, so I decided, well, I want to make an experience counter. Then I can add that to later scripts. But as you can see, it's not the greatest thing. It works half the time, I suppose, since that thing lapped it by 101. So, anyways, thanks for watching, and thanks for seeing my idea. Maybe we will work on something that'll actually I'll be a lot better. So, bye-bye.